Yes po, ma'am. Narinig po.
Sige. Gandang araw po sa lahat or magandang gabi po sa lahat ng attendees natin mula sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Welcome po sa ating online live consultation. Ako po si Miss Murdia, Student Consultant ng ICSE. At ngayong araw po ay isi-share po namin sa inyo about sa UK Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course na in-offer po ng ICSE. And after po ng presentation, pwede po tayong mag-ask ng mga questions and clarification mamaya. So, we'll start na po. Ang ICSA po or International Institute of Computer Science and Administration ay nakabis po kami dito sa Kuwait na mayroong branch sa Kuwait City, Malia at sa Mabula. Nag-offer po kami ng mga courses worldwide at itong UK Diploma in Health and Social Caregiver course ay ino-offer po natin siya through online live interactive class via Zoom po worldwide. Kahit isang bansa ka man ay pwede po kayong mag-aral at mag-enroll at kung nandito kayo sa Kuwait, meron din tayong face-to-face class. Ang ICSA po ay itinatag noong 2001 through the aspiration of Mr. Amir F. Muhammad, the founder of ICSA. Ang ICSA po ay nag-offer po tayo ng 3 levels ng UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. At ang i-discuss po natin ngayon is ang Level 3 at ang Level 4. Dito po sa Level 3 are for those at least elementary graduate or at least high school level. At dito naman po sa ating Level 4, kailangan is tayo ay at least high school graduate or above. At kailangan din sa ating course na meron na po kayong kahit basic knowledge po sa paggamit ng computer or laptop, lalo na po sa Microsoft Office application tulad ng Microsoft Word and can communicate in basic English written or verbal form. So, of course po, no, everybody wants to be financially stable, and we all know that the healthcare career is one of the most in-demand career nowadays. Aside from the skills and knowledge, it gives us also a better future career-wise. That is why many of us want to practice this profession. At ito po ang mga career opportunities na pwedeng maging trabaho ng isang graduate ng UK Diploma in Health and Social Care. Pwede po tayo as a social care worker or caregiver, personal health assistant, healthcare assistant, community development, health administration, and charity officer at marami pong iba. At ang ating mga requirements naman po sa pag-enroll is a civil ID po siya, front and back copy kung nandito po tayo sa Kuwait, or any valid ID kung outside Kuwait po tayo, nasa ibang bansa po tayo, at 2x2 picture or formal selfie, at inyong previous credential tulad ng inyong high school diploma, DOR, at pwede siyang to follow kung di pa siyang available sa ngayon, at kailangan nyo lang masubmit ang inyong requirements before po kayo makagraduate dito sa ating course, inyong school credential. At ito yung ating level 3. Ang ating level 3 is ito ay with 60 credits or units. Ito ay para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi nakapagtapos ng high school or at least high school level or kahit elementary graduate. Ito ng pagkakataon nyo na magkaroon ng diploma, na UK diploma na while working abroad, kahit nasang bansa ka man, ay pwedeng-pwede ka na magkaroon ng international recognized diploma from UK. At ito po yung ating matututunan sa course, Introduction to Health and Social Care, Communication for Health and Social Care, Promoting Health in the Population, Person-Centered Care. At elective units is Understanding Diabetes Care, Understanding Stroke Care, Understanding Dementia Care, at available ang ating course face-to-face class. Kung nandito ka sa Kuwait, yan ang ating mga available schedule. Meron tayong Friday, Saturday, at kung outside Kuwait ka, meron tayong online class through Zoom. May Friday and Saturday class po tayo. Or kung kahit nasa Kuwait ka, kung gusto mo nang prepared mo ng online, pwede po kayo mag-online class. At ito naman po yung ating level 4. Dito sa ating level 4 is magkakaroon po kayo ng 100 20 credits or units. Requirements dito na kailangan is at least high school graduate po tayo or above. At ito po yung ating mga matutunan, available ang ating class online, yung ating available schedule. And for face-to-face class, meron po tayong Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, ating available schedule. And even sa level 3 po kayo nakapag-start, if tayo high school level lang po, pero nais nyo magdagdagan ang inyong credits or units, pwede po tayo mag-upgrade sa level 4 after natin mag-aral ng level 3. So, it depends upon us po. Balik, kailangan lang po natin na mag-level 3 muna. And this is the sample of diploma na matatanggap nyo po after course completion. You'll also receive your transcript of records indicating the credits and grades. And take note po, no, this is not a certificate. Although nakalagay sa header niya ay certificate, this is a diploma. Compared po to the other schools na they are just providing certificate. Ang atin po ay diploma po siya at no expiration at recognized siya po internationally. Ang awarding body po natin is qualified. So, ICSA po is tied up with this awarding body for a specific course which is the Health and Social Care. Ang UK diploma po is under British curriculum po ito siya. Manggagaling pa po sa UK, London ang diploma na matatanggap niyo po na internationally recognized. Pwede niyo siyang gamitin kahit sa bansa, ipa-evaluate sa WES or sa ECA. Aside from the Kuwait, we have some international student also who graduated po. Ito ay ating student from Hong Kong. When we say international student po, ito ay yung residing from the other countries like Hong Kong, Taiwan, Qatar, Lebanon, Saudi, or even in Canada, Philippines, and others po. Since we offer this course worldwide, and the good thing is we have online classes to those who wanted to have a diploma, to have a credential para magamit. So, ICSA can provide that. Ito po yung ating student naman po mula from Lebanon na nag-enroll po dito sa ating course. At ito pong ating enrollment procedure. Madali lang po yung proseso ng ating pag-enroll. Bibigyan po kayo ng link ng inyong student consultant kung saan po mag-fill up po kayo ng inyong enrollment registration. Then ihanda nyo po yung mga requirements, isa nyo lang sa WhatsApp kung sino ang nag-assist sa inyo. And for the payment, kung nandito ka sa Kuwait, pwede kang bumisita sa aming office para mag-enroll or pwede kang mag-enroll through online process. For online process, ang mode of payment natin isa through payment link. At kung sa outside Kuwait ka, pwede ka magbayad through GCash, Metrobank, or BPI. At ang learning process po natin, yung class schedule is nakadepende po yan kung anong level po kayo qualified at anong araw kukunin nyo. Dahil meron tayong Friday, Saturday, or Sunday schedule. At yung mentoring class natin is nakadepende siya sa availability of the instructor. At yung learning tools natin, kailangan meron tayong laptop or tablet or mobile phone. Then mag-download lang po kayo ng Zoom app dahil through Zoom po yung ating pag-aaral. And once na maging officially enrolled po kayo, makaka-join po kayo sa ating official WhatsApp group kung saan po magpo-post po yung ating instructor for further announcement. At ito naman po yung ating learning process. Pag maging officially student na po kayo, official enrolled po kayo, magkakaroon po kayo ng online portal access.